What if I told you that a robot, built not with gears or wires, but with code and artificial intelligence, made over $103,000 trading Forex, all on autopilot? This isn't hype. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is the science of AI in action, and the name of this powerful bot is AI Max Pro EA. So how exactly does it work? Why is it so consistent? Why are traders everywhere calling it a game changer? Let's explore the technology, the logic, and the real-world performance behind AI Max Pro, and why it could be the future of automated Forex trading. At the heart of AI Max Pro is something called machine learning. This means the bot doesn't just follow fixed instructions. It actually learns from past data, thousands of hours of historical market behavior, and adjusts its strategy in real time. Think about that for a moment. Most traditional expert advisors are rule-based. If price crosses this line, buy. If RSI hits 70, sell. Simple logic. But AI Max Pro is different. It uses neural networks, which are designed to mimic how the human brain processes patterns. It doesn't just react to signals, it understands market context. That means AI Max Pro can adapt to changing trends, avoid false breakouts, and detect high-probability trade setups, even in unpredictable market conditions. But it doesn't stop there. One of the biggest weaknesses in most bots is poor risk management. That's where AI Max Pro really shines. It uses dynamic lot sizing, meaning it automatically adjusts your position size based on your account balance and market volatility. It places smart stop-loss levels, tailored to the current price structure, not just some fixed number of pips, and it never, ever over-leverages. This kind of precision isn't possible with emotional manual trading. The bot trades with pure discipline. No fear, no greed, no revenge trades. So, what does this look like in real profits? Let's break it down. Today alone, AI Max Pro generated approximately $1,927 in profit. Last week, the bot brought in over $8,000. Last month, it booked more than $24,333. In just the last 3 months, it earned nearly $80,000. And the total profit so far? Over $103,918. That's real, trackable profit, earned automatically, with zero emotional input from the trader. Now you might be wondering, is this just backtest data? No. These are verified live results running on real accounts in real market conditions. But let's take a step deeper. Why is AI so effective in Forex? Because the market is full of data. Endless streams of numbers that change by the second. Human brains weren't built to process millions of data points in real time. But AI was. AI Max Pro scans dozens of parameters per currency pair. It looks at price action, support and resistance zones, market volume, momentum, time cycles, and more, every few milliseconds. This gives it a decision-making edge that manual traders just don't have. And that edge compounds. Trade after trade, day after day, it learns what works and forgets what doesn't. This ability to evolve is why AI Max Pro performs even when the market conditions change. It's not stuck in 2020 data. It adapts, just like a smart trader would, but faster. Now, let's be clear, no bot wins every trade. Losses happen, but the key is in the win rate and the risk-to-reward ratio. AI Max Pro is built to cut losers quickly and let winners run. That's how it protects capital and grows it steadily over time. So, if you're someone who's tired of second-guessing every move, tired of blowing accounts, tired of spending hours on charts and still losing to emotion, then maybe it's time to let the machine handle it. Let AI Max Pro EA do the heavy lifting while you focus on the bigger picture. Growing your account, not managing every tick. Because the truth is, in this fast-moving Forex world, discipline beats emotion. Logic beats guesswork. And AI beats both. If you're ready to level up your trading and step into the world of intelligent automation, the time is now. Click the link in the description to learn more, get access to AI Max Pro, and join the traders already profiting with the power of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates, strategy videos, and live trading results. This is the future of Forex. This is AI Max Pro EA, and this is just the beginning.